can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Litecoin. Over the last 1 year, Litecoin is up 73.6%. Over the last 1 month, Litecoin has rallied up to as high as 2.8%. Currently trading above $110 with a market cap of $8.42 billion. How high can Litecoin go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Litecoin's all-time highs currently sit around $440. Can we rally past the previous all-time high where we got to in 2021? Where are those levels where Litecoin might get rejected? Altcoin seasons around the corner. How will that affect the price of Litecoin? We'll look at Litecoin's performance against Ethereum. We'll also look at Litecoin's market cap. The $30 billion level can be possible. We can hit that level in this market cycle, but that all depends on Bitcoin dominance. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Litecoin currently trades around $110. A fully diluted market cap sitting at $9.27 billion. Litecoin currently trades around $8.4 billion in market cap valuation. The all-time high for Litecoin happened on the 10th of May 2021. Litecoin traded for as high as $412. Right now it's down 73% from its all-time highs. If you look at Litecoin's valuation against the US dollar, 2021, we briefly crossed into new all-time highs, but there's a lot of warning signals that we should be careful because there was a lot of bearish divergence as Litecoin was crossing new all-time highs in 2021. We saw Litecoin go on a tear from the $26 level where it was trading in March of 2020. We saw Litecoin rapidly rising. In 427 days, we saw Litecoin pumping by more than 1,300%. But all coins can be very volatile. All coins can be very aggressive. When the market is bullish, when the market gets bearish, they inverse that relationship. You see their aggressiveness to the upside become aggressiveness to the downside, as we saw Litecoin lose about 90% of its value in another crypto bear market. Dumping 90% is usual, but it's the pump to the moon that always get market participants scared. We saw it also dumping 90+% in 2018. We saw Litecoin also dumping 90+% after the 2013 bull market. So a 90% dump to Goblin Town is a regular occurrence. And if you notice the pattern, after a 90% dump, after a huge bear market, we eventually have a bull market. But guys, since the end of the 2021 bull market, we have not seen Litecoin go parabolic. We have seen Litecoin go through a huge consolidation period since 13th of June 2022. We have seen Litecoin first get to as high as $112, and in the height of the pandemonium, the latest pandemonium we saw in the cryptocurrency markets in December of 2024, where Bitcoin was breaking new all-time highs, Ethereum was attempting to break new all-time highs, some altcoins were popping off front, left, and center. Litecoin could only get to as high as $145. So that $145 level is going to be very important. That $145 level will be the most crucial level for Litecoin, because above that level, market participants will start singing Kumbaya. The bull market is on. We are going to the moon. 100x is possible. Below the $148 level, there's still going to be fear going around the market. If Litecoin lies above $148, we still have a huge resistance waiting for us at around the $300 level. If we can rally past $300, guys, it's clear skies, still all-time highs. It's clear skies, still the $404 region. And I believe Litecoin can rally towards that price region before the end of this market cycle. From where we're currently trading, for Litecoin to get there, we're going to see around a 269% pump, which historically can happen at the final phase of the market cycle. We have seen Litecoin do it 3 times. I don't think this time is different, and for some weird reason, I believe it's going to happen faster than many market participants anticipate. If you want to buy some Litecoin for yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you look at Litecoin's performance against Ethereum, it's setting up for one epic pump to the moon. Yes, Litecoin has been dumping to Goblin Town against Ethereum over the years. We have seen it from where it was trading in 2017 and in 2018, dump aggressively from the all-time highs. against Ethereum. We've seen it lose more than 99% of its value. But guys, remember, the good times doesn't last forever for the bears, and the bad time doesn't last forever for the bulls. And I believe Litecoin bulls will start singing Kumbaya in the coming days and the coming weeks. We have seen the change in trend for Litecoin since June of 2024. First, gaining 174% against Ethereum. Even though it lost most of those gains, I believe the next big move, we see a lot of whales flipping the Ethereum profit into the altcoin market. Litecoin is one of those altcoins they'll flip into. So 100 to 200% move should be incoming for Litecoin against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, historically, a dump in Bitcoin dominance has always led to a rise in altcoins. That's always led to a pump. That's always led to altcoin season. And even though sentiment is neutral in the cryptocurrency market, you expect sentiment to flip towards greed, flip towards extreme greed in the coming days and coming weeks. And I'll be expecting the altcoin season index to print altcoin season. Now, most people want to start buying when we get to alt season. They'll say, you know what, I'll wait for alt season. But historically, anytime the altcoin season index is telling you we're in alt season, that's a telltale sign that the game is over. You want to buy when we're in Bitcoin season, you want to sell when we're in altcoin season, and I believe altcoin season is just around the corner. And from where we're currently trading right now, at a valuation of around $8.4 billion for Litecoin to get to new all-time highs, guys, we need to see Litecoin first rallying to the highest price we have seen since 2021 and continue blasting to higher valuations. Litecoin could easily get to that $30 billion level, but from where we're currently trading, that will require it to pump by 267%. And I believe Litecoin can do that. I believe that's very, very possible. I believe we can see Litecoin trading at all-time highs. But guys, drop it out in the comment section. Will you be buying more Litecoin right now? How fast do you think Litecoin will rally to new all-time highs? And more importantly, how high can it possibly go in the coming days and coming weeks? I believe $400 Litecoin is possible. Drop your own thoughts in the comment section. $500, $600, or $700. How high do you see Litecoin going? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.